So now we walk through the architecture. Let's see the rough share in action. So I will demonstrate the user experiment, and when the user land on the drop share, and they can drag and drop into the design zone or click to the select one from their computer. So I will choose one file from my desktop. So I will choose one and click uh, when before hitting upload, user can optionally configure custom security limit, such as setting an expiration time in hours or keeping the maximum number of downloads. Once they click upload, the front-end package this into a form data request via ISOs. Yeah. So after like that, we will as soon as get an instant shareable link and a shortcode by pasting the link in the URL. And user get their file instantly, while our server remain completely lightweight and static. When someone opens this link or ASP.NET Core API, validate the policy, checking if it's expired or if the download limit is hit. ISO 302 uh, 202 strength to the secure cloudinary asset. And as you can see in the upload history, we can see file name a new text that upload uh, into the page upload history page. And as you can see in the table, it's look at the file upload from this specific browser. It's showing the name, the shortcode page, and file size, upload date, and manage using the browser local storage on the view on mounted live circle boot. So the history persists even if the user refreshes or close the page. First, the copy link button. When someone clicks it, it automatically copy the full secure share URL to the user clipboard using the clipboard API and give immediate reactive UI feedback by switching the button set to copy for 2 seconds. And second, we have delete action. When user delete a file, it triggers an assign function that communicates directly with our backend REST API. So we will demonstrate the CI/CD auto deploy demo.
So I am Sean. I'll get back into data. and I will do the CI/CD auto deploy demo. So first, I will bring up the front end code of the CI.yml. This is how he built his. Then I will bring up mine, which is only a screenshot. So this is my CI/CD dot YML. The difference between mine from the backend and his from the front end is that his doesn't that I separated my push and build and test uh, into so that it go first, and the Docker push will require the build test to be finished before it uh, download the image. His compile it into one, so it's only build and push. The push image also run the test and then build the image in the same job action. So now I will demonstrate GCD with the GitHub and commit. We go to his front end, I change something in his README, like some backspaces, and go to his git changes. Make it that they have been changed in the share view and the README. I don't know what he did there, but README has been changed. Type in something matter. If you go to my CLCD, I will go to the file cleanup service. I will change something for the later demo. I want to change the periodic timer from 2 minutes to 1 minute only. Go to my git changes and see the file. This other file has been changed. Now type in some placeholders and I will push commit for my backend and push commit for the front end also. See the pushing main has started on both sides. Go to my GitHub first, action, and the workflow should show the current new one. Like this. Then here's also show the dot one for the test. When we click upon it, we can show the what build or what stage it is in for the job. Mine was separated with the test in the Docker image. So we build it, we will put first, and his will only do one job instead of having to wait. See my confirms after this first job. Confirm has been done. The Docker push on my backend is for his turn. He's finished first, so after his action commit push had been finished, we'll trigger a deploy hook for the render with file sharing front end, and it automatically deploy the latest commit from his GitHub, which is the front end. Mine is taking a little longer. Here we go, mine has just finished right now. Refresh the page. So doing check mark, then we check all my backend version for the backend has been my new deploy for the commit. For the list commits have been triggered via this deploy hook and finished with the deployment already. So now that's how my auto deployment demo works. So now we'll be moving on to the how demo how of my file cleanup service actually clean up a file. So now I'll go to my site, turn this on to make it clear view. Okay, now we drop a file. Let's just say around this. About JPEG, name fungus, upload the file will be stored in should now show up in my PostgreSQL. I use dbeaver, so I can show my PostgreSQL data. And here's where's my PostgreSQL is in the Docker desktop. So now if we refresh the page, you're able to see the fungus PNG, its storage where it is stored, its maximum download, permanent, and no one has downloaded yet, the expiry date, and the time of expiration. We check the cloud binary, start the page. The fungus PNG should show up in my assets folder for the media. There we go. The fungus PNG plus the unique key that combined with it. So now I'll test if my file cleanup service, if it actually works or not. I just put the trial timer from 1 minute to 2 minutes to 1. So now I want to cheat a little. I want to go to my dbeaver, change the expiry date of the fungus PNG into the past. So now it will go to become a be put into the expired list so that for my file or cleanup service can clean it. So now we'll wait exactly 1 minute and let's see. So 1 minute right now. We check on dbeaver PostgreSQL. Refresh the page. Okay. I completely forgot to save the expiry date. Let's wait 1 more minute. So check my cloud. It should still be here, right? Oh, this has already been cleared. It has been cleared from the cloud itself. The refresh it might be gone now. Oh, so just because I think the expiry date already, it got into the expiry list. My backing up service just boot up every single minute, so we have I accidentally cut it. And there we go. The fungus file is now gone from both the PostgreSQL database and the cloud. Just for last confirmation, yes. So thank you for listening.